Okay, after fixing the max steps parameter, our training run has now finished. And we can see the training loss has converged over a little bit more than 1,000 steps. And we can also see the generations from our model that we logged in evaluation. We can see both the prompt and the generation, but it would be good now to compare this versus the baseline and see how this looks. So now instead of running evaluation manually, I will go to artifacts, I will go to the model that we saved in this training run, and I will link it to registry. And remember, we're working with a small instruct LLM, and now I will specifically add the candidate alias to this model version. And after linking it, we should be able to see this model in the registry. And hopefully the evaluation action has triggered. So let's take a look at the queue. And you can see the status for a neuron is queued. It's waiting for an agent. And it's running now, so the agent has picked up this specific evaluation run. And we should be able to go there. And we can double check the config. So in the config, we can see that the candidate model is now small instruct LLM v3, and it's evaluated against our baseline, which is the version 0. And we can see when this run finishes, we should be able to see the results. It's still waiting for I think the run is still going. So let's wait for a little bit, and then we'll see the results of this run. Okay, we can see now the candidate preference score is 0.53. So now this run is a lot better than our baseline. So this is a candidate that based on this score, we can do something more with it. Maybe we can move it to the next stage. Maybe we can move it to production. Maybe we can move it to the stage of quantization. We should be able to see the comparison between the baseline and the candidate. And we can, for example, filter by the choice and group by the choice, and see that there's just 12 examples where the baseline is better than our model. There are 23 cases when both are considered equal by our LLM judge, and in 65 cases the candidate is better. So it's clearly a better model than the baseline. If you want to do a deep dive and understand maybe where there might be regressions or where the candidate might be worse than the baseline, we can also use this table. Maybe if I remove this grouping, and just maybe I want to focus on the error analysis. And if I sort this in a descending way, then these are all of the examples where the candidate is worse than the baseline. We can take a look maybe at some of the reasoning here from our LLM judge, and use this as an insight to improving our model in the next run. Maybe we need to give it some more data. Maybe we need to change the hyperparameters, and this will help us improve our model over time. So hopefully you've seen the value of setting up all of these automations and evaluation in an automated way based on actions from the model registry. And yeah, we're looking forward to having you practice this on your projects and in your organizations.